assembly will be at 12:30 a.m. At Dabsu Main Campus in Bacolor, Pampanga. Yan. So we will have around 30 minutes of assembly lang para lang makaupo kayo ng maayos sa ating mga buses, makapag-head count tayo. And then by 1 a.m., that is our estimated time of departure from Dabsu going to Ilocos Sur. Ayan. So, ano na yun, ano? Dire-diretso na. Ayan. So, meron ng question. Okay, yung mga may questions, pwede nyo na po yung i-key in sa chat box. And then, later on, isasagutin natin after the, yung mga slides. Okay? Thank you so much. Pero ilagay nyo na, key in your questions na para hindi nyo na rin siya makalimutan. Okay? Okay, so, yung travel time nyo from Pampanga to Ilocos Sur is around mga 7.5 hours. No? Dire-diretso yan. Siyempre, meron lang tayong konting wee break along the way. And mostly, yung mga students naman, they just sleep while on board, no? Habang bumiyabiyahe papuntang Ilocos Sur. We are expected to arrive in Ilocos Sur at around 7:30 sa Bantay City. So we will be providing you with light packed breakfast. This is free, no? Hindi siya talaga kasama sa inclusion, pero we are giving free breakfast for day 1 para dun sa mga hindi makakapagdala ng baon. Pero we also suggest that you bring snacks along with you on board, no? Para just in case mabore kayo, wala kayong magawa, at least meron kayong makakain. Ayan. So your packed breakfast will be from 7:30 to 8:30. And then followed by the tour of Ilocos Sur. Yan, yung mga destinations na pupuntahan natin are as follows: Bantay Bell Tower, Pagbornayan, and Calle Crisologo. Calle Crisologo is known as the Heritage Village. So you can also do Calesa ride, but that will be on personal account. No, so bahala na kayo kung gusto nyo mag-ride. Pero basta meron tayong free time dyan sa Calle Crisologo so that you can explore the place. I will not give more details about these destinations kasi ayoko rin maunahan ng ating mga tour guides. Of course, they will be discussing, no? They will have info guiding during your tour naman. And you can also do advanced research para lang alam niyo yung mga pupuntahan natin. Okay? So by 12 to 2 p.m., you will have your lunch at La Casa Blanca de Vigan Hotel. Okay? So this is also located somewhere in Calle Crisologo sa Vigan. You'll have your managed buffet, lunch there, and you will also have a tour of the house. So yung tour of the facilities and yung mga ino-offer nila na mga amenities for the guests. So makikita nyo rin yan. And then after the tour of the house at La Casa Blanca, you will now proceed to Paway to see the sand dunes, no? Sa Paway Sand Dunes, you will have from 4 to 5 p.m. You will have free time if you want to do 4x4 ride or sandboarding. You can do so, but that will be on PAC's account. So, hindi na namin siya in-add on the package kasi some of the students naman would just like to go sightseeing and ayaw naman nilang sumakay ng 4x4. So, that's okay. So, na lang, kung sino lang yung gustong mag-avail can do so. Okay? So, 1 hour after 5 p.m., that is your estimated time of departure from Paway Sand Dunes to Playa Tropical in Ilocos Norte. So, yung Playa Tropical, ito po yung ating accommodation. No? By 5:30, you will have your check-in at the resort. You can do wash up from 6 to 6:30. So, pahinga-pahinga. Of course, medyo kayo niya, no? medyo puyat kasi from madaling araw dire-diretso kayo ng tour the whole day. So, yun. It's time for wash up. Kung gusto niyo maligo, yan. So, pwede yan. And then, after your dinner will be served, managed buffet as well. So, sa resort din yan. And, nakalagay dito 6:30 to 8. So, kung maaga-aga kayo matapos, pwede rin kayong mag-use of hotel facilities. So, pwede rin kayo mag-swimming, no? Bukas naman yung swimming pool nila. Meron lang silang meron lang parang I'm not sure, Rona, hanggang 10 ba or 9 o'clock ang swimming pool?
Yes, miss, hanggang 10.
10 o'clock, ayan. So hanggang 10 o'clock pwede kayong mag-swimming. Yan, just make sure lang na safely at hindi kayo maghaharutan while you are swimming, no? And proper swimming attire. Next slide. Okay, so for day 2, these are our tour highlights. We will be visiting Ilocos Norte naman. Now, your wake-up call, medyo maaga, kaya wag masyado ring magpupuyat, no? Yung baka naman isagad-sagad nyo yung pakikipagtsikahan sa classmate nyo. Pero the next day, maaga tayo. So, 6 a.m. is our wake-up call. And then, your managed buffet breakfast will be served at the hotel from 7 to 8:30. And then, by 8:30, dapat pag nag-breakfast kayo, ready na kayo for the day, no? Kasi by 8:30, that is your estimated time of departure from your hotel going to Bangi Wind Farm. Okay? And then, you will travel around mga 2 hours yun going to Bangi Wind Farm. So by 10:30, that is your ETA at Bangi Wind Farm. You can have photo opportunity. So, dito sa picture, makikita nyo yung Bangi, yung mga wind turbines nila. And then, you can also buy some souvenirs. Okay? And then, by 11 o'clock, that is your ETD from Bangi Wind Farm going to Evangeline Resort in Pagudpud. So, 1 hour travel time also. Sa Evangeline, you will have your managed buffet lunch there. And you can also have photo opportunity at Pagudpud Beach. Yan. So, ang dami-dami nating, ang dami-dami nyo mapupuntahan in just 3 days. By 2 o'clock, that is our ETD from Evangeline Resort in Pagudpud to Kapurpurawan Rock Formation. By 3 p.m., that is your ETA at Kapurpurawan Rock Formation. And then you'll have a tour. So, dito sa Kapurpurawan, i-expect niyan may konting trekking dyan. Hindi naman namin pipilitin lahat. Those lang na kayang maglakad hanggang dun sa dulo. No? So, I suggest that for day 2, you all wear comfortable shoes, no? At saka yung t-shirt nyo, huwag na kayo magsusuot ng mga dark colored shirt kasi syempre mainit. And you also have to bring extra shirts, extra blouse. Just in case mapawisan kayo. Kasi ito, marami tong mga outdoor na mga activities.
Kapag seminar da kami ko.
Trekking. Yan, makikita nyo naman sa picture. Puro outdoor siya. Yan. And then, by 4 o'clock, that is our ETD from Kapurpurawan going back to Playa Tropical Resort Hotel. By 5:30, that is your ETD at the resort, and then you have time for wash up as well. By 6 o'clock to 10, you'll have your seminar on front office department. Managed buffet dinner will also be served, and you'll have an option for a fellowship night. Kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng mga maiksing program, yan. So, pwede nyong gawin dyan sa second night. So, we'll provide the venue, and if you need anything, just let us know in advance para ma-prepare natin. Okay? And then, for moving on to day 3, okay, for day 3, ayan, maaga na naman ang ating wake-up call, 6 a.m. ulit. So, again, no, bawal magpuyat dahil baka hindi kayo magising ng maaga. And then, of course, after wake-up call, now, maliligo na kayo, and then you will prepare for breakfast. Yan, breakfast is from 6:30 to 8. And then,
pagisan.
Gabi niya pagkakaroon ako eh.
Meron lang akong i-adjust dito sa dulo, no, dun sa time. Your final itinerary will be sent sa teacher nyo kasi we need to make this earlier yung ating arrival. So, i-adjust lang naman natin but we'll make sure na mapupuntahan natin siya lahat. No? So, your check-out time for day 3 is at 10 a.m. And then your ETD at Playa Tropical is at 10:30 a.m. You will now go to Sarat Church for some photo opportunity from 11 to 11:30. And then from Sarat Church, you will go to La Preciosa Restaurant. So your ETA at La Preciosa is at 12 noon. Yan. So you will have your lunch, managed buffet lunch din. So as you can see, halos lahat actually, no, ng meals nyo are managed buffet naman. So I'm sure na mabubusog kayo dyan. So your lunch will be served from 12 to 1:30 p.m. and then followed by a cooking demonstration on authentic Ilocano dish. Yan, and it's either sometimes empanada, sometimes crispy dinuguan or poki-poki. So depende na lang din kay La Preciosa kung ano yung available nila, kung ano yung
dami ka rin,
on that day. So, ito magandang exposure to kasi as we all know, Pampangans are very known for their authentic cuisine, no? Talaga namang culinary center yan ng Philippines. But I think ito rin si Ilocos, no, has a different cuisine that you should also try. So, ano din siya, kahit papano, medyo lumalaban, pero syempre, hindi naman natin masasabi na mas masarap sa Kapampangan. Pero iba rin ang cuisine ng mga Ilocano. So I'm sure you will enjoy it as well. Yan. So okay, so your ETD at La Preciosa Restaurant is at 1:30 in the afternoon. Then followed by the continuation of your Ilocos Norte tour, which is Malacañang of the North and Paway Church. And then followed by, yung pinakagusto ng lahat, no, pasalubong buying. So you will see there that sa ating mga pasalubong shops, some of the vendors are preparing or cooking the delicacies right in front of your eyes, no, habang bumibili kayo. So makikita nyo doon paano niluluto yung chichacorn, yung mga bagnet, even yung bibingka, no? So kung ano yung mga gusto nyong bilhin, pinre-prepare nila yon as in fresh na fresh. So dyan na rin kayo pwedeng bumili ng mga pasalubong before going back home. Okay? So again, no, I will adjust this kasi I was advised that you need to be
pang-tropical na hotel resort.
So itong part na to, we will just adjust and I will send the final itinerary to your respective advisors. Okay? Para yung ating ETA sa Damso at
normal na hotel mo.
Midnight, aagahan natin ng konti. Para rin sa safety ng everyone na I think there are a lot of you na medyo mas malayo pa yung uuwian. So just for your safety, medyo lang i-adjust natin yung date natin. Right? So, next slide please. Okay, so in this picture, you will see your accommodation. This is Playa Tropical Resort Hotel. On your upper left, yan yung tinuturo ng cursor, yan yung facade ng hotel. So there are different types of room in this property, and since you are many nga, and medyo ang dami nitong group na to, we will be utilizing different room categories. So some of you may be billeted in deluxe rooms, or some of you may be billeted in villas. Andito din yung picture ng villas. Ayan. So, in deluxe rooms, there are it can be like 5 in a room or 6 in a room. But don't worry, the hotel will provide extra beds or extra mattresses. So, depende lang sa configuration ng inyong yung room na ma-assign sa inyo. Of course, we will be sending you the rooming list form which your advisors can
Ay, kahit
fill in kung sino yung
at lo kami mo
magkakasama sa
section,
board.
tapos
Okay,
ating
so just make sure
9
since this is
students,
next
ba't
Monday
ka rin
already, make sure
lubaw
to
yata ba?
coordinate
9 na mo ding
yung mga room
tiniki
list
yata
with
kayong
your
kaida.
advisors kasi we need it in latest tomorrow, no? Friday. Okay, so latest tomorrow. And then, of course, the hotel has swimming pool, ayan, and it is also a beachfront property. But then, sometimes yung beach hindi available for swimming kasi minsan malakas yung alon dyan. So, we suggest that you just utilize the swimming pool for your safety as well.
Okay na yun, swimming pool yun.
Okay, so we now move on to tour rules. So, ito yung mga kailangan natin sundin o policies na we have to strictly follow because, of course, even though this is an out-of-town trip, remember that this is still a school activity. So, yung most of the policies in your school will also be implemented while we are on tour. Okay? So, number 1, all tour participants must provide the following information before the tour. So, this is for insurance purposes. The list should have your name, birth date, beneficiary, and relationship to the beneficiary. We already sent this list to Ma'am Win, and I think finifill in ata nila na yung form. Hopefully, ma-receive namin siya today. No? Latest sana today para ma-i-process namin siya early tomorrow morning kasi hindi nagpa-process ng insurance yung insurance companies if it's a weekend. Yan. Okay, and only students with signed consent from parents or guardians will be allowed to join the tour. All participants must sign the provided tracking list. So, yung tracking list namin, we have two types. We have the digital one, which it is accessible through our QR code. The QR code will be provided by your tour coordinators. Iscan nyo lang siya, and then you will just fill in the tracking list from there. So, make sure lang na tama yung mga details na ilalagay nyo doon. It will also be our reference for your tour certificates.
May gastos lang.
Okay, and if ever kailangan din namin kayong tawagan, you have to make sure that you also put there your mobile numbers. For example, biglang assembly time na, tapos hindi kayo nag-show up sa assembly point, so we have to call you. Yung mga ganong instances. So, just make sure that you really fill it in yung with proper information. Okay? And then, no smoking inside the bus. Proper garbage disposal. So, makikita nyo kung gaano kalinis ang Ilocos. So, we have to make sure na pag-alis natin na wala tayong maiiwan na kalat. Participants with existing medical condition. So, yung mga merong asthma, hypertension, yan, meron bang may epilepsy dito, allergies, diabetes, yan. So, yung mga yan, they have to present a medical certificate allowing them to join the tour, no? Of course, this is still for your safety. And please bring your prescribed medicines at all times. So, even if bababa ka lang ng bus, especially yung may mga asthma, no? Make sure that your medicines are just in your bag or in your pocket, lalo na yung mga may kailangan ng mga inhaler. So, sometimes kasi yung mga buses natin needs to park ng medyo mas malayo-layo, no? Na kesa dun sa pinagbabaan sa atin. So, minsan hindi siya madaling ma-access. So, baka maisip mo kasi na andyan lang naman yung bus, madali lang kuhanin. So, sometimes umaalis sila, sometimes kumakain din yung bus drivers. So, you have to make sure that you carry with you all your medicines, yung mga emergency medicines, and if ever you have inhaler. Okay? So, those students with medical conditions must be seated at the second row at the back of the faculty and coordinators. Okay? Para if ever you're not feeling well, at least madali namin kayong ma-assist. Okay? And then, school IDs, please bring. And we will be providing you with plates and places, button bins. These are color coded, and you have to wear it at all times. So this is a 3 days tour. So even if magpalit na kayo ng damit, you have to wear it. So bakit ba kailangan yung isuot yon? No, it's our way of monitoring you, our tour participants during the itineraries and other activities. Kasi sometimes nahahalo kayo sa crowd and hindi naman namin memorize yung mga faces nyo agad-agad. So it's better that you wear the pin para alam namin nakasali talaga kayo and tama yung bus na sinasakyan nyo since it is also color-coded. So each bus has their own color, pin color. Okay? Next, be guided by the tour itinerary, especially on the departure and start of seminar times. So, your itinerary will be accessible through the QR code also. So you can browse it through your phone. So wala rin kayong reason para sabihin na ay hindi ko kasi alam kung ano yung susunod na itinerary natin kasi nga it is accessible online. So makikita niyo naman siya sa phone, no? Make sure that when the itinerary says that it is the assembly time already, make sure that you will show up before the assembly time indicated in the itinerary. Okay? Body system during walking tours. Ayan. So, huwag kayong masyadong lalayo, no, sa group kasi syempre malayo-layo din yung destination natin. Make sure that when you need to go somewhere, you have your classmate or your friend with you as well. Okay? So, huwag kayong mag-emote mag-isa. Yung iba gustong mag-emote sa beach, yan. So, make sure may kasama kayo palagi. Okay? Next, consumption of alcoholic beverages is strictly prohibited. Ayan ha, bawal po yan. So, wag na kayong mag-attempt na magdala or bumili kasi i-check din naman yan. No? So, wag na lang. Kasi marami namang ibang oras, maraming ibang times na pwede kayong mag-inuman. Pero sa tour po, bawal. Okay? And then refrain from purchasing, consuming food and beverages from unlicensed stores and vendors. So we will have a designated stopovers for your pasalubong buying. No? Refrain na lang from buying dun sa mga unlicensed vendors kasi sometimes hindi fresh yung nabibili, minsan sira. So dun pa talaga sila sinasakitan ng tiyan. So imagine it's hassle pag mahaba yung biyahe tapos dun pa sumakit yung tiyan nyo. Okay? So make sure lang na yung kung bibili kayo ng mga pagkain dun sa mukhang malinis. Yan. And during seminars or facility tours, all participants must put their mobile phones or on silent mode, maintain proper decorum, and show respect to the facilitators and resource person. No active participation, no certificate. Ayan. So sometimes talaga may mga students na lumalabas sa function room or doon kung saan nagtotalk yung speaker. So pag ganon, we take note of those students and then they cannot get the certificate of participation. Okay? So since our meals are mostly managed buffet, so no leftover policy lang tayo. So make sure kung ano lang yung kukuhanin nyo ay mauubos nyo. You can always go back naman kung medyo bitin pa kayo doon sa kinuha nyo na first na serving. Yan. And for your attire, actually, I have to confirm this with your faculty, but our preferred attire is college shirt if you have, or PE shirt and pants. No, wag na lang pong mag-skirt, wag mag-mini skirt kasi marami tayong activities na like kunyari maisip niyong mag-sandboarding so tapos naka-skirt kayo. So hindi siya bagay doon sa activity. Better if you wear pants and comfortable closed shoes. Yan. Wag na lang pong mag-high heels, mga girls, no? Better if you wear sneakers or any closed na comfortable shoes. Yan. And Also, bring jacket just in case madali kayong ginawin, no? Dahil nga mahaba yung biyahe natin. Or baka kasi umulan, no? Pag meron tayong mga destination sa pupuntahan para hindi kayo magkasakit, bring jacket and umbrella. Yung umbrella naman, kahit yung foldable umbrella, manghiram na lang kayo sa parents nyo if they have, just put it in your yung hand carry na bag nyo. Yeah. And then school ID, of course, and we suggest that you bring refillable drinking bottle, yung inyong mga aqua flask na magagandang tumbler, yan, o kahit yung simpleng tumbler lang. Magdala na lang kayo niyan para hindi niyo na kailangan bumili, no? So, at places and places, we try to avoid yung mga single-use plastics. So, kaya as much as possible, we minimize the use of yung mga mineral water, unless nga wala tayong choice, kailangan talaga namin magbigay ng mineral water, ganyan. But then, please bring your drinking bottle kasi you can always refill it dun sa mga destinations na pinupuntahan natin na, for example, yung mga restaurants, no? Para hindi na kayo bumili ng mineral water. Sayang din yung pambili nyo ng tubig. And then, bring extra yung mga nag-motion sickness dito, yan, Bonamine or DC tabs. Although our tour coordinators will have some medicines with them sa kanilang first aid kit, but syempre masyado kayong marami. It's better if you also bring your own. Yan, dahil just in case mahilo kayo tapos hindi nyo makita agad yung tour coordinator, at least meron kayong sariling medicine. Okay, moving on sa hotel rules naman tayo, no? Yung rules ng ating resort. Upon check-in, please inspect room, check linen and toiletry setup. So, i-check nyo kung kompleto ba yung towel, tigi-tigisa ba kayo, tigi-tigisa ba kayo ng pillow, ayan, kung meron bang soap or shampoo. Also check if there are no damages to room fixtures. Kunyari may mga nagli-leak na faucet or yung aircon nyo hindi lumalamig. Please immediately report to the front desk or housekeeping department should you find an incomplete setup or damage or non-functioning fixtures. Yan, para maging comfortable yung stay nyo, i-report nyo na lang agad. No? Wag naman, baka mamaya pag check out nyo, doon yung sinabi, ma'am, wala kaming aircon for 2 nights. So, di ba? Wala na tayong magagawa doon. So, pagpasok nyo pa lang, i-try nyo na siya and then let the front office or housekeeping know if you need something sa inyong mga kwarto. Okay?
Okay na kami,
Minibar items, wala, pina-pull out naman namin siya. And if you want to bring your own snacks, just, bring, magdala lang kayo ng any chips or yung mga juice, no? Kung gusto nyong magdala, okay lang naman yan. Remember to place, this one is, if merong maliligo, no, make sure lang na yung bath mat, ilalagay nyo siya sa floor para hindi kayo madudulas. So kasi minsan may mga estudyanteng nadudulas sa bathroom, no, dahil we don't know kung naghaharutan or no, para lang mas safe, just make sure na merong bath mat na lang. Then, do not disturb other hotel guests, loud noises inside rooms and in public areas. Random knocking on doors and room-to-room calls are prohibited. Attire during breakfast, casual wear. So, dahil nasa resort setting naman, pwede kayong mag-casual wear. Pero iwasan na lang po yung nakapantulog. May baka naka-90s pa kayo. Wag na lang, casual wear. Yung iba, nagsusot na before mag-swimming sila, no? Naka-rash guard. So, okay lang din naman yun. Wag lang yung masyadong skimpy ang attire.
Kaya ting issue kanta, diba?
Then, during breakfast, get only the amount of food you can finish. Ayan din. So, no leftover policy din siya.
Benita?
Bengi.
Buti ko.
Seminar tapilan niya ngaldo ito.
And then upon check-out, no bringing home of
Grade
hotel
10.
towels,
9,
ashtrays,
10,
glasses, utensils, or other similar items, no?
Mamili niya
The
may
cost
mas
of such lost items as well as damage to room fixtures will be charged to room occupants. No? So, yung iba, hindi naman nila sinasadya maiuwi yung towel kasi kamukha talaga ng towel nila sa bahay yung towel. O kaya, naililipat nila sa ibang room o kaya naiiwan nila sa may pool area. So, just make sure that you will not lose those towels kasi pag naiwan nyo siya sa swimming pool and then upon check-out nyo, nagbilang yung housekeeper nyo doon sa inyong kwarto ng towel, tapos pag kulang yun, of course, matcha-charge yun sa inyo. Okay? Kahit na ilipat nyo lang siya sa kabilang room. So, make sure lang na ibabalik nyo siya sa kwarto nyo kasi doon yun ibilangin. Okay? All rooms are non-smoking, so hindi pwede mag-smoke sa loob ng room. There are designated smoking area in the resort, so just ask for it. Students are not allowed to leave hotel's premises. Curfew is for strict enforcement. Yan. So, marami naman kayong pwedeng gawin sa resort. So, wag na lang pong lalabas, no? Kasi hindi natin din kabisado yung area. If you need to buy anything, talaga kung emergency na kailangan yung bumili ng something, magsabi lang kayo ng maaga. Wag naman yung sobrang late, no? At least, pwede namang bumili along the way pag nasa labas pa kayo kung meron kayong kailangang bilhin. Yung curfew nyo will be announced kung anong oras on the day of the tour and it will depend on the behavior of the students. Pag makukulit ang students, maaga po ang curfew natin. Pagka mababait, yan, so medyo nagiging mas maluwag kami ng konti. Okay, so we will coordinate that also with our faculty. Then room keys are to be returned to front desk upon check-out. Lost keys have corresponding charges. So make sure na lang yung tagahawak ng keys nyo are the most responsible in the group, no, para hindi mawala. Wear proper swimming attire. So ano ba yung proper swimming attire? Pwedeng rash guard, swimsuit, board shorts, wag lang po yung mga maong shorts, wag lang po yung mga t-shirt na
bawal bawal yung
cotton. I think bawal yung mga cotton shirts. No? Swimming attire na lang, rash guard. Not necessarily naman na yung mga one piece or two piece, no? Basta yung meron namang mga swimming attires din na like yung mga rash guard kung saan kayo comfortable. Then no horse playing and diving in the pool area. Yan, mag-iingat na lang po para hindi ma-aksidente while we are on tour. So mahahassle tayo pag if something happens to you during the tour. Yan, ingat-ingat din while enjoying. Settle all incidental charges when checking out. Ayan, kung meron kayong in-avail na mga other facilities of the hotel na hindi kasama dun sa mga free, or kung meron kayong in-order sa kanilang restaurant, just make sure that you will settle it upon checkout. And then, Miss Rona, meron bang free wifi sa resort?
Yes, miss, meron naman po. Bibigyan po sila ng coupon upon check-in.
Ayan. So, make sure that you connect dun sa free Wi-Fi option. Okay? Yan. So, next. I think tapos na yata ito. Okay. So, that's all for us. If you have any questions, please, you may chat it sa chat box or just raise your hands. By the way, tomorrow, Miss Rona will be at Tabsu from 9 to 11 in the morning for collection. No? For those of you who haven't paid yet, please approach Miss Rona. Pupunta na lang siya sa may, I'm not sure kung Miss Ma'am Win, are you here? Sa Dean's office ba siya or sa faculty room? Magtatambay for the collection. Ayan. So, okay, so look for her na lang so you can give out your payment. And then, for those of you na nagbayad through our bank account, please make sure na hindi nyo iwawala yung inyong mga deposit slip, okay? Kasi we will need that for verification. So we need to see the transaction reference number and the original copy of your deposit slip. Alright? para din kasi medyo marami kayo. So, medyo mahirap siyang i-track dahil nga isa-isa kayo nagbayad doon. Pero, through the deposit slip, we will be able to monitor and track kung sino po sa inyo yung mga fully paid na. Okay? Sir Nathan? Sir Nathan?
Sir Nathan.
Hi ma'am. Yun pong regarding sa deposit slips. I requested all TM students. Sorry po, kakakyat ko lang ng kauwi lang. Hinihingal pa. Saglit lang, ma'am.
Okay lang po.
Ayun po. All mayors po nung 3 section, lahat po nung nag-deposit at nag-transact online, bibigyan po kayo ng copy nung transaction slips nila tomorrow. Printed.
Okay po. Okay. Thank you, sir. Apo. Alright.
Ito.
Okay. So, sagutin naman natin yung nagtanong sa chat box.
Okay. Miss, may question po tayo dito. Sige po, ako na magbabasa. Is it possible po kaya na sa Mexico campus kami i-pick up since we are from Mexico pa po?
Okay. So, Rona, ilan nga yung student natin from Mexico?
8.
8. Okay. So, Mexico. Your bus po kasi, sir, ayan si Sir Almer pala to. Good afternoon, sir. Your bus will also have students from main campus. So, since 8 lang po sila, so kasama po nila yung mga taga-main. Saan ba malapit tong Mexico? Okay, so, if ever, is it possible kaya na we pick them up somewhere in like Lakeshore, ganon, or sa San Fernando intersection?
SM.
Or SM?
Pwede po silang i-pick up. So, from Bacolor, pwede po silang i-pick up along Gapan Olongapo Road. Yun po, sa crossing ng San Fernando. Sir, ano po yung shell dito? Yung para po mas safe yung mga bata. Yung may shell po doon na malaki sa northbound.
Northwalk daw.
Ay, Northwalk. Yun po. Pwede po sila i-pick up dun sa Northwalk para mas maliwanag, mas safe yung mga students natin.
Ayun po. So, let us know na lang po kung which one ang preferred nyo. Kasi, yun lang po, medyo malayo po kasi mismo kung doon mismo sa Mexico campus pa siya ipipick up. But yun nga, we can do Lakeshore or Northwalk if you like po. Ayan, so we just need the list of students na magpapapick up in those pick-up points. Any other questions?
About po bukas sa collection ng cash payment po, ma'am. As in cash lang po ibibigay or need po i-envelope then with name po ng students para po mas organize?
Okay lang. Rona, ikaw ang tatanungin ko. What do you prefer?
Okay. So, bukas po, siguro po much better wag na i-envelope kasi po we have to count
Oo nga.
it
Tama.
din po and then i-issuehan po namin kayo ng provisional receipt. Alright.
Ayan. Okay. Any other questions?
Ask ko
Pwede
lang po
na-
if pwede naka-short.
Depende. Depende yan sa sa school, sa faculty, no? Sa amin naman, yung short na hanggang tuhod. Pwede yung gamitin pag nasa yung pag, ayan, no daw sabi ni sir. Yan. Syempre, pag nasa resort kayo, pag free time, pwede naman yan kasi naman siya. Yun. So, naman kayo, free time naman kayo. Pag nasa resort, no? Sometimes kasi, meron kayong mga pinupuntahan na simbahan. So, minsan, hindi pwede. Ayan, si Sir Nathan. Okay, Sir Nathan, go ahead po.
Ma'am, baka wala siya the other day na nagkaroon ako ng pre-departure orientation sa kanila. As I have mentioned to everybody, you have to dress appropriately. First day, you'll be wearing black para hindi kayo nagmumukhang pawis habang nagta-travel. The second day, yung evening, meron na kayo any smart casual wear. Then I told you, during your time and your free time, dress appropriately. Yun po nga. Thank you po.
Okay, ayan. Thank you, Sir Nathan. Ayun daw. Any other questions? Wala na po. How about the faculty? Baka meron pong last minute na announcements. Andito pala si Dean Joyce. Good afternoon po, Dean Joyce. Evening na pala.
Good PM po. Yung about naman po sa room, pwede po ba girl to girl and boy to boy? Hehehe.
Siyempre, hindi pwede maghalo-halo. Ayan, Sir Nathan.
Ma'am, baka hindi nagbabasa ng GC. If Espinosa, is that you? I already assigned your mayors and representative of the class for the rooming list. We will be sending this to Ma'am Vanessa through Google Sheets, dun sa Google Sheet para makita nila. You are already assigned. We are promoting gender equality here, and we are gender sensitive. So if there are gender neutrals who are somewhat at ease of joining diverse genders, they have to talk with us. Yun po, ma'am.
Okay, ayan.
Thank you.
Yes, basta kung ano yung mabigay sa amin na rooming list, final na yon. Okay? Hindi pwede yung last minute magpapalit-palit kayo. Ayan, 8 lang daw kasi sila sa DMC, 6 po na girls, tas 2 lang po yung boys. Okay. So,
Ma'am, bali si Sir Almer po yung nag-assign ng rooming list nila with DMC. You might want to talk with Sir Almer, anak. But with the main campus, we have already provided with the rooming them with the rooming list.
okay po. Alright.
Sa drop-off point po, pwede po bang bumaba na lang sa intersection? Medyo mahirap po kasi yung sakayan sa Dobsu pag gabi and pauwi na po.
Apo. Okay. So, Dean Joyce, pwede ko bang tanungin kung pwede? Pwede mag-drop off? Ideally kasi, yung nasa contract namin, ang drop-off lang talaga is sa Dobsu, no? But, if meron kayong letter, no, isa lang na drop-off point, we can only do 2. So, kung kasundo tayo na mag-drop off tayo sa intersection, and then sa Dobsu, pwede yon. But, you have to have a letter or kaya submitted sa inyong advisor saying na you will go down sa intersection. Okay? So, ganun lang. Kasi, yung nasa contract natin is ang point to point is ang start natin ay sa Davao main campus. Pero yun nga, if talagang hassle sa iba, they really need to go down sa intersection, which is ito ba yung San Fernando intersection, tama ba? Yun.
Yes,
So,
miss.
opo, maghingi lang kami ng list para alam, tsaka yung letter, para lang alam namin at documented na itong mga batang to ay nagpababa sa intersection. Okay? Yan. So, organize lang natin siya para hindi malito yung inyong guide at konti na lang kayo pagdating sa Davao, no? Para alam din namin. Yan. Okay. You're welcome. Last call for questions. Yan. So I think wala na pong mga tanong. Thank you all so much for being with us today, and we are really excited to have you on board, no? By the way po, sa travel office po bukas ang collection. Ayan, travel office daw, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Miss Rona will be there. Last, na lang, no, Bilen, please make sure na kayong mga students ay kompleto ang tulog, no? So, sa weekend, mag-ipon kayo ng tulog para yung inyong energy ay mataas na mataas during the tour. Siyempre, 3 days lang yan. Kailangan hindi kayo magkasakit, hindi kayo antok-antok, no? Make sure na complete ang tulog at rested at saka i-take nyo yung mga vitamins nyo. So, dalhin nyo rin pala yung inyong mga vitamins during the tour, okay? Para iwas ang magkakasakit,
Okay.
no? Sige, thank you so much everyone and have a great evening.
Thank you. Bye.
Pause po, is it okay? Ano daw yun? Pahabol po.
Pahabol po.
Okay lang po na maleta daw po yung gagamitin or bags lang. Yung maliit na maleta lang ha. Yung smallest lang. Pero ideally bag lang kasi 3 days lang naman siya. Okay? Ayan.
Kumabot pa talaga.
Thank you, Aya. Sige na. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you,